Let's build a classic 1980s console television that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's start with a 2x6 plate. We're going to flip it over and place a stud in each corner of the 2x6 plate. Now, these are going to be our little feet for the bottom of the television. Flip it over again. Place a 1x4 plate in the back. On the front left, a 1x3 flat tile and a 1x1 flat tile on the right. For the picture tube, take a 2x3 plate, let's flip it over, and we're going to place some 1x1 by 1 2/3 brick with 2 knobs on the back side, and we're going to face these studs with a 2x3 flat tile. For the controls, start with a 1x1 by 1x1 angler plate. Place a 1x1 brick on the back side, followed by a top 1x1 by 1x1 angler plate. Then we're going to face these studs off with a 1x2 plate. On the front, we're going to start with a 1x1 flat tile. This is going to be our speaker, and a 1x1 flat tile with a control panel print. This is going to be the controls to control the television. Let's set the screen on the left-hand side and the controls on the right-hand side. Take two 1x2 palisade bricks, place them on top of one another. Let's make 2 of these. We're going to place one assembly on the left-hand side and one on the right-hand side. For the top of the television, place a 1x6 flat tile on the front. For the top, place a 1x2 plate and a pair of 1x2 flat tiles. These 2 studs are left open for some antennas, so take 2 1x1 aerials, just set them right on top. And we have ourselves a nice old school 1980 style television with electronic tuning. It is scaled for minifigures. It'll be perfect for any Lego creation.